Have you ever wanted to grow your own food and cook with it? Welcome to the enchanting world of garden-to-table cooking, a gastronomic journey that begins right in your backyard. This wholesome practice is about more than just food. It's about freshness, taste, and the incredible satisfaction of consuming something you've nurtured from seed to harvest. Think about it. The crunch of leafy greens, the tang of ripe tomatoes, the burst of sweet berries, all harvested by you, for you. Imagine plucking fresh ingredients right from your backyard and transforming them into a delicious meal. Imagine having a personal supermarket right in your backyard. Starting a garden is a beautiful venture, one that is not confined to acres of land. Even a humble balcony or a small patio can host a variety of herbs, vegetables, and fruits. From thyme to tomatoes, from basil to broccoli, you control the produce. It's a versatile, rewarding endeavor. And the best part? This market is evergreen, always available, and only a few steps away. With the right care, your garden can provide a bounty of fresh produce. Transforming your fresh picks into a culinary masterpiece is a journey of flavors. Imagine the vibrant, crisp leaves of lettuce, the sun-kissed tomatoes, and the aromatic herbs, all hand-picked from your garden. Now picture these ingredients coming together in your kitchen, the heart of creativity. The process is not only about cooking, it's about the joy of nurturing something from seed to supper. The satisfaction of crafting a meal from what you've grown is unparalleled. There's nothing quite like the taste of food made from fresh, homegrown ingredients. Garden-to-table cooking is an experience worth sharing. It's about more than just food. It's about the joy of nurturing something from seed to plate. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner cook, there's a special satisfaction that comes from eating food you've grown yourself. Share your journey on social media, swap recipes, and inspire others with your garden-to-table stories. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share your garden-to-table experiences. Happy gardening and cooking!